spit it out. Okay, rinse out your mouth and wash your face. Come, my God. That's your sister. That's turn it off. Come, wash your face. You gotta put your hands underneath me. Yes, son. Go take off your diaper and I'm gonna give you your underwear. Go pee.
But I want to buy something.
Go and pee. Go take off use the toilet. Hi, take off your diaper and use the toilet.
Let's go for the real mommy.
Okay, Papa. Are you peeing?
No, not really.
Take off the diaper and put it in the trash can. You're gonna put on underwear. No more diaper for you. Here.
Mine. Mine.
Yes, guys.
I said no more diaper.
Here.
Mine. Mine.
Pick up your cup, please.
Mine. I take my truck away. It's because it's left. Drop her toothbrush, Mommy. He's dropped her toothbrush, Mommy.
She dropped her toothbrush.
Oh no, he's dropped her toothbrush again, Mom. It's my toothbrush, Mommy.
Okay.
It's her toothbrush, Mommy.
Okay, Papa. Oh, you're making sure you're getting that tight.
I can't do it. Yes, Mommy?
Yes, I'm gonna comb my hair, Papa.
I'll fix it tomorrow.
Kai. 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 Don't let me throw away that excavator. Please stop. Okay, you can use it. I'm drinking my tea. I don't normally eat until 12 because I intermittent fast now. I'm gonna straighten my bed and fold some clothes. Milani,
This is the letter O. O is for
you done, mommy?
says A. Says and G. This is the letter. This is the letter A. G is for apple. A says and A says A. This is the letter B. This is the letter A. This is the letter Q. This is the letter L.
Milani,
This is the letter P.
I'm coming, mommy.
Baby shark.
You want this, Papa? Kai, did you pee yourself? Go use the bathroom and take off the underwear. So it's about 11:57 right now, and I am going to make me my breakfast. So I normally start off my brunch because I don't eat breakfast, so it's brunch for me with a smoothie. And as you can see, I'm using the Doyle fruit mix, and then I'm gonna use some regular almond milk. I don't drink cow's milk, but you can substitute it for cow's milk, or you can substitute it with juice if you want to. I love the fact that this blender is so small and compact, and it don't take a lot of space up on your counter, which is something I love and appreciate. And I can go from blending straight to drinking. All I have to do is remove that portion of my cup and then replace it with another lid, and I can just drink and go. And being a mom of two, I absolutely love the versatility and how easy it is to use. And they come with two lids and two bottles, so you are perfect to go. So this toaster, I normally make toast my bread and make a sandwich, and my sandwich normally consists of eggs, bacon, lettuce and tomatoes sometimes. And I love this toaster because it's an electronic toaster, as you can see, and it actually has a timer on it and different levels, so you never burn your toast. And if you're someone that just like your toast extra well done, you can have that too. But I like my toast like how I made it in the video. So this is brunch, a nice healthy smoothie, and a egg sandwich. So now we're just outside. I'm letting the kids play around before it's time for nap. Finishing up my juice. I would normally take them to the park, but both our vehicle, what the hell? Both our vehicle actually stopped working. Well, the Benz has been in the car dealership for God knows when, and then the other truck broke down. I told Babe that we needed a car from last year, but he likes to be forced to do things. He don't like to do things before stuff goes bad. He likes them to go bad, and then he tries to fix it. But Milani diaper is officially. Kai, what are you doing?
I'm trying to get Malone for mommy.
How did it end up in the water?
Mommy.
Hmm.
Oh, did I get stuck in the water? What's he doing?
Okay.
I'll just wear this then.
So that's the chips that I use. This is the spinach and cheese dip. So I'm not one of those people that believe you should be starving yourself. So in between brunch and dinner, I like to have low calorie snack options that are also healthy and filling. If I'm having a sweet tooth, I will take one of my fruit bars, maybe even two if I'm and this is the Outshine, and there's 12 bars in this pack. And the calories, you have 60 calories. So the kids are sleeping. It's time for me to make dinner. I'm just gonna make a salad. So I just took a shower. I did a quick hair tutorial on this crisscross hairstyle that I did recently. I did it with a fro, and I also did it with my ponytail. So the kids are sleeping. I'm gonna rinse out their bottles and my cup, and I'm gonna get their juice ready, check on my food, and see. I'll probably try to eat before I wake them up, because God knows I would like to eat in peace. If you're a mom, you know the struggle of actually having some peace and quiet, or I'll just have some wine, wake them up, and wait until babe gets here wearing the sexy black dress. If you're a woman, best wine opener. This is what a glass look like. One thing about me, if it's wine, I'm gonna drink it. One thing about me, if it's wine, I'm gonna pour it. about me. If it's wine, I'm going to drink it. Broil it for about 10-15 minutes. Oh, if you guys are wondering, babe went to go drop off the boys to their mom. So yeah. Mama, Makai. Hi, cutie mama. We rocking the same hairstyle. Mommy and me hairstyle. Hi, cutie mama.
Okay.
Mm-hmm. Makai. Makai. Why are you crying when I call your brother? Come. Slow the girl. Kai, wake up. Up, 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 up. 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 Wake up. Mm-hmm. Tell him to wake up. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Here. They need their juice as soon as they wake up. I'm gonna chill. I'm gonna have dinner. I'll show you guys dinner. So all I'm doing here is shredding the chicken thigh and removing the bone. I like to add my chicken first because a lot of the times my meat is either warm or hot. So I add it at the bottom to make sure it doesn't quail my vegetables. I'm gonna end this vlog here. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And thank you for spending the day with me and my children. Deuces. Oh, and if I was going to school, my day would look a lot different. The first thing I normally do when I'm going to school is actually go on the website where I take my classes, and I spend about an hour to 2 hours doing classwork and stuff. So if you were wondering, so yeah, see y'all next week. Deuces.